Today I want to show you how to make green apples cookies for your dog.
To make the green apple cookies, you need to prepare 2 eggs, 1 green apple, half cup sugar-free oats, 1 cup flour, half teaspoon cinnamon powder. First, put flour, oats, and eggs together in a large bowl. Next, cut the green apple into slices. Then put the apple and half teaspoon cinnamon powder into the flour and mix them together. Next, heat the oven to 400 degrees. Next, roll the flour into small balls. When you are finished, you can put them into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Now the cookies are ready. Remember, give them to your dog when the cookies have cooled down. Try it out and tell me what you think. Bye bye!